Hi guys, this is one of my Transformers. This is Decepticon, opposite of Ratchet, so I call it Racket. And let's get to transforming. First, you get his hands, arms, and take off his legs. That. And take it. And get it like this. And get his head. Turn it around. Put his cannon. And here's Racket. And this is one of his fixing things. Turn it around. Take off his hand. And put it on like that. You can put his hand back like this. And here's Racket. Thank you for watching. Bye.